Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the breathtaking villages of Himachal Pradesh. This region is known for its stunning natural beauty, and we're here to experience it all. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the rich culture and traditions of these villages as we meet the warm and welcoming locals. We'll be exploring ancient monasteries, taking in breathtaking views, and indulging in the delicious local cuisine. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure as we uncover the hidden gems of Himachal Pradesh together. As we journey deeper into the Himalayas, we find ourselves surrounded by the grandeur of nature. The towering peaks, covered in a blanket of snow, stand as silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the mountains. The air is thin and crisp, and every breath feels like a gift from the heavens. We arrive at our first destination, Kalpa, a village that seems to be cradled in the arms of the mighty Himalayas. The journey to Kalpa is an adventure in itself, with winding roads that offer glimpses of the breathtaking landscape at every turn. Nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Kinnaur Valley, Kalpa is a village that seems to touch the heavens. The village is perched at an elevation of over 9,000 feet, offering panoramic views that are nothing short of spectacular. The Kinnaur Valley, with its lush greenery and rugged terrain, provides a stunning backdrop to this serene village. The air here is crisp and clean, carrying with it the scent of pine and the sound of silence. The tranquility of Kalpa is palpable, and it feels as though time itself has slowed down to match the unhurried pace of village life. As we step out into the village, we're greeted by the most breathtaking view, the majestic Kinner Kailash range, standing tall and proud against the azure sky. The sight of these snow-capped peaks is awe-inspiring, and it's easy to see why this place is considered sacred. Legend has it that this mountain is home to Lord Shiva himself, and as we gaze upon its snow-capped peaks, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The mountain seems to exude a mystical energy, and it's no wonder that it has been a place of pilgrimage for centuries. The village of Kalpa sits at an elevation of over 9,000 feet, and the views from here are simply unreal. The altitude gives the village a unique charm, with its narrow pathways and terraced fields that seem to cascade down the mountainside. The houses are built in a traditional Himachali style, with wooden balconies and slate roofs. These structures are not only beautiful but also practical, designed to withstand the harsh weather conditions of the region. The intricate woodwork and vibrant colors of the houses add to the village's charm. Apple orchards dot the landscape, their branches laden with ripe fruit. The sight of these orchards is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The apples from this region are known for their crispness and sweetness, and they are a source of pride for the villagers. We take a stroll through the village, soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. The narrow pathways wind through the village, leading us past traditional houses, apple orchards, and fields of wildflowers. Every corner of Kalpa seems to hold a new surprise, and we find ourselves constantly stopping to take in the beauty around us. The locals here are incredibly friendly, and they greet us with warm smiles and curious glances. Their hospitality is genuine, and they are always eager to share stories about their village and their way of life. The sense of community in Kalpa is strong, and it's clear that the villagers take great pride in their heritage. We stop by a local tea shop to enjoy a cup of chai and learn more about their way of life. The tea shop is a hub of activity, with villagers gathering to chat and share news. The chai is warm and comforting, and as we sip it, we listen to the shopkeeper's stories about the village's history and traditions. The shopkeeper tells us stories of the village's history and traditions, and we're fascinated by their deep connection to the land. The stories are filled with tales of gods and goddesses, of ancient rituals and festivals, and of the enduring spirit of the people who call this place home. As the sun begins to set, the sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, casting a warm glow over the entire valley. The sunset in Kalpa is a sight to behold, with the sky painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The changing colors of the sky reflect off the snow-capped peaks, creating a mesmerizing display of light and shadow. The Kinner Kailash range is bathed in a golden light, and the snow-capped peaks seem to shimmer and dance before our eyes. The beauty of this moment is almost surreal, and we find ourselves lost in the magic of the mountains. We stand there for hours, mesmerized by the beauty of this magical place. The mountains, the sky, the village, everything seems to come together in perfect harmony, creating a sense of peace and contentment that is hard to describe. Kalpa is a place where time seems to stand still. The hustle and bustle of city life feel like a distant memory, and we find ourselves fully immersed in the tranquility of the village. The simple pleasures of life, a walk through the fields, a chat with a villager, a cup of chai take on a new significance here. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature and with yourself. The mountains, the fresh air, the peaceful surroundings. All of these elements come together to create a sense of serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. The peace and tranquility we experience here are unlike anything we've ever felt before. The natural beauty of Kalpa, combined with the warmth and hospitality of its people, makes this a truly special place. It's a place where you can find solace and inspiration, where you can reconnect with yourself and with the world around you. As we leave Kalpa, we know that this is a place we'll never forget. The memories we've made here, the people we've met, and the breathtaking beauty we've witnessed will stay with us forever. Kalpa has left an indelible mark on our hearts, and we leave with a sense of gratitude and wonder. The memories we've made here, the people we've met, and the breathtaking beauty we've witnessed will stay with us forever. Kalpa is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of the Himalayas, and a reminder of the simple yet profound beauty of life. Our journey through Himachal Pradesh continues as we make our way to Nako, a hidden gem nestled near the Indo-Tibetan border. This remote village, often overlooked by mainstream tourists, offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that is hard to find elsewhere. This ancient village is renowned for its serene lake, ancient monasteries, and the raw beauty of the surrounding landscape. The village's history is deeply intertwined with Tibetan culture, and this is evident in its architecture, traditions, and the way of life of its people. As we approach Nako, the air grows noticeably thinner, and the landscape transforms into a rugged, high-altitude terrain. The journey itself is an adventure, with winding roads that offer breathtaking views of the mountains and valleys below. The village itself sits on the edge of Nako Lake, a crystal-clear body of water reflecting the azure sky like a giant mirror. The lake is considered sacred by the locals, and its pristine waters are a source of life and tranquility for the village. The moment we arrive, we're captivated by the tranquility that envelops Nako. The village exudes a sense of peace that is almost palpable, making it the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The air is still and quiet, except for the gentle lapping of the lake against the shore. The sound is soothing, almost meditative, and it feels as though time itself has slowed down. We take a moment to simply breathe in the fresh mountain air and soak in the serenity of our surroundings. The crisp, clean air is invigorating, and the stunning landscape provides a feast for the eyes. Dominating the village is the Nako Monastery, a 1,000-year-old structure perched on a hilltop overlooking the lake. This ancient monastery is a testament to the village's rich cultural heritage and its deep spiritual roots. We make our way up the stone steps, feeling a sense of anticipation as we approach this ancient place of worship. The steps are worn smooth by centuries of pilgrims, adding to the sense of history that permeates the place. The monastery's interior is dimly lit, with colorful murals adorning the walls and the scent of incense filling the air. Each mural tells a story, depicting scenes from Buddhist mythology and the lives of revered monks. We spend hours exploring the monastery's many chambers, admiring the intricate artwork and feeling a sense of peace wash over us. The quiet reverence of the place is almost tangible, and it's easy to lose track of time as we wander through its halls. After our visit to the monastery, we decide to take a leisurely walk around Nako Lake. The path is well-trodden, winding its way through fields of wildflowers and past traditional Himachali homes with their distinctive wooden balconies. The wildflowers add a splash of color to the landscape, and the traditional homes give us a glimpse into the daily lives of the villagers. Each home is unique, with intricate woodwork and vibrant colors that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. As we walk, we encounter locals going about their daily lives, their faces etched with the wisdom and resilience that comes from living in such a harsh yet beautiful environment. The villagers are friendly and welcoming, always ready with a smile and a greeting. We stop to chat with a shepherd tending to his flock of sheep, his weathered face breaking into a warm smile as we attempt to communicate in broken Hindi. Despite the language barrier, we manage to share a few laughs and learn a bit about his life in the mountains. As the sun begins to set, we find ourselves drawn back to the shores of Nako Lake. The changing light transforms the landscape, casting long shadows and bathing everything in a golden glow. The sky transforms into a canvas of fiery oranges, deep purples and soft pinks, reflecting on the lake's surface and creating a breathtaking spectacle of color. It's a sight that leaves us in awe, a perfect end to a perfect day. We sit there in silence, mesmerized by the beauty of our surroundings, until the last rays of sunlight fade behind the mountains. The tranquility of the moment is profound, and we feel a deep sense of connection to this magical place. Nako is a place that stays with you long after you've left. Its serene beauty, ancient history, and the warmth of its people create an unforgettable experience that touches the soul. The village's charm lies not just in its stunning scenery, but also in its rich cultural tapestry and the simple yet profound way of life of its inhabitants. Every corner of Nako tells a story, and every encounter leaves a lasting impression. We leave Nako feeling grateful for the opportunity to have witnessed its magic, and knowing that we'll carry its memory with us always. The village has a way of touching the heart, leaving an indelible mark that calls us back, time and again, to its serene embrace. As we bid farewell to the enchanting villages of Himachal Pradesh, we can't help but reflect on the incredible journey we've had. We're filled with a sense of gratitude for the unforgettable experiences we've shared with you. From the breathtaking views of Kalpa, where the mountains touch the sky, to the serene beauty of Nako, where time seems to stand still, this journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Each step we took, each path we explored, revealed a new facet of this magical land. We hope that our adventures have inspired you to explore the hidden gems of the Himalayas and discover the magic that awaits in these remote corners of the world. Remember, the Himalayas are not just mountains, they are a treasure trove of stories, cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. The world is full of incredible places waiting to be explored, and the Himalayas are just the beginning. Every journey, no matter how big or small, has the power to transform us, to open our eyes to new perspectives, and to fill our hearts with unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Your support and enthusiasm mean the world to us. Don't forget to like, share,